What's up, what's up, what's up? Just so I say it now, I think this is going to be all this right here, green, that way. All that green stuff right there, I think it's going to be 100% fake out. That's just what I think. So far, anyway. You know what's also good is since Tesla's getting booted or got booted from the S&P 500, I think that's going to be very, very good for it when it starts trading, when the whole market starts trading better. Because I don't know if anybody else remembers how Tesla was. Before it got into the S&P 500, but it was a monster before it got into the S&P. The fish are on what time frame, Ethan? Or Mamba? What time frame you looking at? Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man? Muffin Man. It was Ethan. It was on Fox that they were getting, or they were getting booted from the S&P. It's just because I'm sure Elon won't conform to what they want. It's probably the whole Twitter deal, you know, like they can't control Elon, and so they're trying to punish him. That's all it is. I hope their stock does better than ever. Just to show them. Good morning, Scott. Good morning, bud. Corn. I think this pop this morning is a fake out. We'll see. I mean, we never know, of course, but I'm definitely not probably making a move on anything for the rest of the week. I can tell you that. Yesterday I traded like trash, but it's part of it. But yeah, I mean, you look at how weak it is right now. Nobody's wanting to buy anything. Nobody. No, retail's not wanting to buy anything. Unless they're just putting small positions in and kind of just averaging in, which is smart for like here in maybe 6 months, 12 months, whatever. Like whoever's loading in small shares on a lot of this stuff, you're gonna be rich when they pop back up. I mean, plain and simple. But nobody's wanting to buy anything. You got everybody that's already afraid of their 401k and what they're seeing when they look at it. Plus, some of them's already been pulling their 401k to keep it safe, which is always stupid. But they think it's a smart idea to sell when they're down. And then the media outlets, Fox, CNBC, blah blah blah, they're pushing all the scare news headlines. Dow slides over 1,000 points. All that stuff that they share or put out there all the time. When it's just every time the market crashes, No, I didn't see that. Cash. How far back is it? Let's go see. The gas article. Here we go. Washington State gas stations run out of fuel. Prep for $10 a gallon. Man, kiss my ass. Insane, dude. Insane. Sheesh. Yeah, hell, I mean, you look at the Dow and how much it dropped yesterday and everything else, really. Like, who wants to buy that after that? Just just the uncertainty. You know, if it was just a normal day and maybe we had a different president and the market was still in a bullish trend overall, why not? CVX, it's Chevron. You can look at it over here. They're surprisingly doing trashy too. Yeah, it can come back, you know, but I just that 15-minute Fisher, man, it usually calls it for me. You know, and they're all at the top right here, right at the open. And I was like, damn, that sucks. And then the Dow just came up, hit a supply zone, and just rejected it straight off. Not sure if I had this pulled up. Where's my chart at? Yeah, so I have this moved down a little bit to right here. Oh, this is a 5-minute. So I had that moved down on my other chart here. I had this about right here. You can see, and then it flushed through it, came up, tapped off on the bottom of it. It could still find a bottom there, but don't touch it. Don't touch it. From what I see, best not to touch anything in the first hour in the market we have right now. I just used the built-in one on TradingView, Randy, the Fisher Transform. Dun, 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 dun. Smoked. Indeed, indeed. They're gone for now. Let's see what happens. We'll see if it can go through the pre-market low. If it gets to the pre-market low, then for sure. My bad, I wasn't paying attention. I didn't see you guys couldn't see the. Do, 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 do. Oh, type in Discord. Meadows Puppy says. Thank you, Edward. Let's go check out some X, huh? Yeah, that's got a big old wick to the top side on it, huh? Man, I don't know why I'm yawning so much this morning. See about it, Mamba. I don't trust him. Is there going to be enough of them at your back, though? You know, that's the problem. It'd be amazing and hilarious if Tesla just ripped $400 today because, you know, they're out of the S&P and blah, blah, blah. You know, just stick it to them, man. They're trying. Oh, Mamba. Yeah, Cash Edwards said Metals was pushing, but they're even having a. I mean, they're having a struggle too. It looks like. Let's go. Let's go. I agree, Cash, to what you said in the Discord. I remember back when Tesla was not in the S&P, and dude, all they did was just rip all day long. Like, you just go long on it. You're good to go. And then it got into the S&P, and it's like they put a leash on it and a collar, Get that trash out of here. It is strictly because he wants to buy Twitter. I'm sure they are trying to control him and Twitter, and they're just trying to punish him. That's it. They're a bunch of clowns, dude. The government, these politicians, and that's on both sides. Politicians on both sides. Politicians on both sides are a bunch of crooked, shady stuff I can't say on YouTube, All of them. That's why they need some more presidents in there that are not politicians. Never were politicians. People that are just Americans, man. Yeah, Mamba, I'm kind of like I'm feeling the same thing, I think the same thing. And it sucks because Twitter could be, like the platform where people actually get what they want to say out. AKA like Trump not being banned because he says too much shit, Who cares? Let him talk. Here we go. Here we go, Mamba. See if we can get some of them high days. High of day. High of day. I mean, I hope the Bulls have a push. In reality, though, it's only going to set it up for a lower low. Yeah. Absolutely, Cash. Absolutely. It's funny, Mamba, is I've actually thought about running for the presidency. I think I'd be a good president. That's what they need. They need to take Americans just straight out of the, straight out of the Americas. It's like these politicians don't even live in America, because the shit that they think is going on, like, It's like Hunger Games, man. It's like they put people, all of us, in these Hunger Games, and they have no idea what it's like to even live inside of them. Take one of these people out of the Hunger Games, make them president. Not yet. 4 more years. 4 years, 4 years. I think we can get them with YouTube and advertisements. We'll get them. We'll pump a new stock every day. Yeah, just like today, give a speech on Tesla. Sorry about that. Dollar General. Excuse me. Excuse me. Dude, it wouldn't surprise me. It really, I mean, they might as well with the. I won't spread any conspiracies, but COVID was a man-altered virus, and they spread it. Prove me wrong. Hell yeah, mama. We'll tear their ass up in a few years. Man, see how that, like, we pop up, and they're selling every pop, except on X. X is pushing. See if X can get a new high of day here. I think it's probably going to push it a little bit. What's up, Alice? Yeah, Russell, if you, I don't know if you, probably not, but Vision has yesterday's low, 390.55. It looks to be what it's struggling at right here. If we get above this, then we'll probably get some resistance here a little bit, 392.66. I think we could see 398. If that's if we go on a run. If we don't go on the run, we ain't seeing shit. It's cold in here, man. They got it cold in here. It's better than being hot, though. There goes X, popping up into a new high today. Let's go. Sorry, I didn't realize my watermark wasn't on. You guys would probably like to see what these are, huh? I like having the watermarks on. Let's go. The Dow in the 30 minutes having some good trouble getting over the 20 EMA. That's what it's bumping right now. What's up, man? Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto, me llamo Bradley. I'm horny up and round Jeremy. And if you wanna get slapped to your knees, just some sublime, huh? RDO. Come on, Doing good, man. Doing good. Doing good. We're doing good out here, Lewis. We're doing good. Just waiting for these things to start doing their thing, man. Seeing what they're gonna do. Don't want to jump into anything too early. You're gonna probably see a flicker on the screen. Maybe not. I can hit this. You're good. You're good. Doctor. I'm gonna call you Dr. B because I don't know how to pronounce that. Not really giving any advice, man. Especially right now. Especially right now. I'm assuming you're on the short side if you're looking to hold SPY to the 380 level. I would, if it was me, no advice. My SPY contracts, if I had puts, I would feel comfortable holding puts unless it broke this pre-market high right here, like this wick area, where this wicked up. I would feel comfortable holding those, unless we got above that. If we got above that, I'd probably take my profit, or whatever the case may be. If I got A little stop out. That's probably where I'd stop it out. Right on, right on. Does the Philippines have a stock to pump on that, or is that just some good news? Give me a few seconds. Let's see. X will go to 25. I can see it. It's coming in on the 15-minute 200 EMA right here around 24.66. Man, is it a struggle bus this morning? See, I always try to think of, like, what are they thinking everybody's expectations are for the market this morning? And then do the opposite. So they're probably expecting everybody to be bullish for the day because, hey, it was a big drop. You know, we got to come back. We ain't got to do nothing. I always try to think about, like, what they think retail people or whatever's expectations are. And then usually go the opposite. Tesla trying to push up again. SPY also. Dow is as well. Dow's got a pretty good sized candle on it. Let's see. I mean, you know, we just gotta get it higher than the rest of the previous candles this morning. Also, I agree. And I also agree with that. Also agree with that. Let's see if we can get some high days on Tesla, SPY, Apple, Dow. I wonder how oil is. Crude in it. $106. It's crazy. It's 106. That's not even high. You know, as we were a few weeks ago. But the gas prices at the gas station by me are higher than they were when oil was all the way up here at over $125. You know, like, what? Can you say price gouging? I can. It's pretty easy to say, honestly. Just let it roll off the tongue. Price gouging. You know? A few syllables, nothing crazy. Dylan, you smartass. Think about this. Every time Powell talks, what does he mention most? What are they trying to control? Consumer spending, right? They're trying to control and keep consumer spending down. I'm really not sure why that matters, but I'm not a economist, you know. I just know that they're trying to keep consumer spending down, you know, like at, you know, going shopping and this and that. They're trying to keep it down. What's one way you try to get people to stop spending money and to be afraid of money and kind of pull it back? Nope, not spending. Have you seen them? Have you seen the economy crash the market? To a lot of people, I mean, since January, this is a crash. You know, it's not a full-blown, you know, COVID 2020, 2008, blah, blah, you know, 80s, whatever. It's not a full-blown one of those crashes yet, but it's enough to get people to look, you know. Mamba. I'm laughing because cash is always there. Nope. Bears. I'll be right back. I hear like a FaceTime ring, but I don't see it. Hang on. Quiet down, trash truck. Quiet down. Very slow, very slow. Oof. Look at that weekly chart. I hope you're right, Mama. I hope you make money, my friend. I don't think I'll trade for the rest of the week, honestly. There goes Apple. Apple rejecting VWAP pretty hard there for 215s. It's got 2.5 minutes left if it wants to try to do something. If it rejects the VWAP again on this candle, I think it's over for Apple. Dude, here's the deal. If you're an investor, I mean, look at the price of Apple, son. 139? Are you kidding? That's a steal. Well, you think Apple will never be up there at the highs again? Come on. People are selling their 401ks trying to keep them safe. You're insane. You need to sell at the highs and then get back in when we dump like this, man. These are opportunities, to say the least. For long term. Let's see if we got any fresh jams that YouTube will kick us off for, huh? See what we got. Let's see, we got some happy music, dark music, inspiring, playful, sad, relaxing, serious, angry, love, and epic. Shall we do some sad ones today? Oh, I'll be there with you, Russell. I'm sure a bunch of other people will too. I think right now is a good time to start dollar cost averaging just about it. You know, all the big names. I still wouldn't mess with any of the penny stocks, but unless it's NASDAQ's, because NASDAQ has the $1 requirement minimum, and so you could, you know, the biotechs, if they need to get over $1, they throw a piece of news out there. It pops one day, you run a few bucks, take your profit. Serious music, huh? I think we'd definitely get booted for that, Mamba. Right away. You know, in hindsight, Apple is the only one doing this crappy. SPY's actually holding up well. Tesla's holding up well. The Dow, eh. We'll see. We will see. Anytime I look in the Discord and Mama's chatting, always cracks me up. SPX, man, SPX. Let's see what they got. You can look at, yeah, let me turn these arguments off. Look at scalper 2 on it. Scalper 2s. No bull signal yet on scalper 2, man. No bull signal yet. Watch him. Let's check newer update. Might have one down here. No. I would have thought we would have had one right here on this engulfing candle, but Vision no like it yet. Vision no likey. No likey. Here come Apple at pre-market low. Watch him. Here comes the Apple. Let's check on the stocks in the Dow. Man, my internet is trash this morning. Why is Home Depot even green? Thieves. Bunch of rip offers. Let me get a focus on this. Alright. Goldman Sachs up 14 cents. Home Depot up $3. Microsoft up 45 cents. Salesforce up 45 cents. Everything else inside the Dow, red as a motherfucker. Walmart down another $3.50 this morning. Nike down $1.50. J&J down 2. IBM down 3.5. Honeywell down 3.5. CVX down 3.5. Caterpillar down 4.5. Apple down 2.5. American Express down $1.50. Boeing down 50 cents here, 60 cents. Visa down 5, holy. Cisco down 7. Ask yourselves, why is the Dow just chilling instead of dropping? You know? That's why I'm like, okay, well, not very trustworthy on this attempt to push higher. And Apple coming below pre-market low. You got 4 minutes on this 15-minute candle. Be interested to see where that last 5-minute candle closed. There, yeah. So that 5-minute candle closed below pre-market low. Shotgun down 10.5. I honestly do love how Tesla's just solid right here, you know, just solid. Great rejection to the downside so far on Tesla. It could all change, but it does. I mean, I just love how it's holding the line, you know. You could tell that there's some buyers in there for sure. No buyers in Apple. I mean, it's just, she gone. A big discount for long-term investors. I mean, if you had the money to buy calls on Apple a year out, 2 years out, those calls are gonna be looking good. Absolutely. Like, just leverage up with options on it. Ascending triangle. I wonder what time frame you see that on. 5-1. Where are we at, Jimmy? Where are we at? Let's check the 5 here. Not sure what time frame he's looking at, Mamba. I mean, it does have a short-term trend. You know, like that is there for sure. This isn't going to be a perfect trend line, but we are making some type of trend here. So I mean, it's good to see. But if we can't get over these highs, I mean, you know, we need to get over these. I see. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if we can hold this trend line, then eventually we should break to the top side. I would like to see it consolidate above VWAP, though, I can say that. Which is that white line. If we were consolidating above VWAP, that would make me feel a lot more stronger about a bullish pop. To block out thoughts of you so I don't lose my head. Crawling like a cockroach, leaving babies in my bed. Dropping little reels of tape to remind me that I'm alone. Hell no, man. Hell no. Can't be upset buying Tesla this low. Some shares, you know. Let's see what Scalp 2 says. Probably all over the place. Yeah. 1 minute. So, like, man, if you're a super scalper, you just drop vision on that 1 minute, bud. And the 5. The Scalper 2 picks that 5 so good. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Chop session. Well, we're past 10:30. See what happens around 11 a.m. New York time here. Apple testing pre-market low as resistance now. Hello. It's me. Tesla putting in a nice candle there. Well, they were. Yeah, who knows, man? Who knows? You can do it, Tesla. 781 cents was the low from yesterday. Let's see what they can do. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times. Now, boom, Scalper 2 is kind of just like another beta that only a few of us have. We might actually put it in the next update. I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. Come on, Tesla. Come on, baby, go. Nice candle out of Tesla there. Come on, baby, come on, come on. Let's go, let's let's pick a direction here, guys. Let's pick a direction. What you gonna do, George? What you gonna do? Man, there's just some sellers up there on Tesla. Apple and SPY trying to drop further here. Apple, definitely. Kind of starting to be right there with you, Mom, but I think we might see maybe a short pop here coming up soon toward near lunchtime, maybe during lunchtime. Because if you look at SPY's, that's on the 5-minute, but if you look at Apple's Fisher on the 15-minute, we're getting down there now to where we could actually stretch it back out. For sure. I'll be right back, fellas and ladies. Hello, Tesla and Apple. Apple Z. It's better looking than it was, that's for sure. Thanks, guys, for hitting that like button. She's trying. Man, really need SPY to hold that VWAP. Come on, come on. Yeah, look at Amazon today. Looks like we might get that 11 a.m. push we talked about, or maybe see a real push here in about an hour. London session closes. I think really they might be the ones that are kind of holding it down right now. A lot of bears in the whole London session, I think, right now. Yeah, it ticked it it ticked that top right there, Mamba. Ticky tick tick. Yeah. Sheesh. I'm gonna eat something real quick. I'll be right back. Yeah, well, it's just starting to jam, man. What the? Here they come. Let's go Tesla, let's go. I think Tesla could definitely get up there to the 200 EMA on the 15 minute, which is 729.92. From the outside, I must have tried 1,000 times. What are we gonna do, boys? What are we gonna do? Got a minute left on these 15-minute candles here. Man, I wanted to see what that said. Son of a bitch. Forgot what I was gonna do now. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. Muy bueno. Yep. Kicking the feet up, kicking the feet up. Do. They're trying. Still, they're just, I don't see enough buyers, man. I don't see enough buyers right now. Yeah, get him, Apple. Get him, Apple. Get him, Apple. Here come the stupid fucking bots. What is your favorite company? Doesn't have to be to trade or where you like to shop, or just your overall favorite company. I would say Apple. I mean, I got a ton of Apple products. I would say Apple. Just in general. I mean, you got Apple MacBook Air with the M1 chip. So one of the newer MacBooks. The new M1 chip iPad Pro. The new M1 chip iPad Air. 13. 12. I have a 12 sitting around here somewhere. We got a ton of the old ones like 11s and all that stuff, but 27-inch iMac and the Mac Mini that I am currently running now, and an Apple Watch. I don't know if I have any others. I mean, like I said, I got some of the older phones and stuff too. Hell yeah, I've got like the old 4 or 5 in the drawer in there. Tesla trying, huh, Mamba? Oh, dude, sorry, totally forgot about those. I have a ton of those air tags on all my valuable stuff, like my motorcycle, 4-wheeler, kids' dirt bike, the little 50 they have, some of their bicycles now. What else? My lawnmower, pressure washer, just anything that could, somebody could steal. I got air tags on it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I recommend it, dude. You can't beat the price of those things for like the security they bring. $100 for a 4 pack of AirTags. Yeah, well, Mama, looking like on Amazon, man. I've got some for my dogs too. I just need to some dog collars. I just need well, they slip on your dog's collar, and like, and then you can buy wristbands for your kids. You know that you put the AirTag inside of when your kid goes to school. It's on their wrist. Yeah, I mean, there's just so many good things that you can put those on. So many good things. For the Apple AirTags, no. I mean, just have an iPhone, uh, or probably an iPad. You don't even have to probably have an iPhone. Probably an iPad too will work. Uh, hell, you can buy the AirTags at Walmart. You can buy one, or you can buy. I'd recommend the 4 pack because like one's like 30 or 30 something, and then the 4 pack's like right at $100. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Let's see if we can get higher on Spy and Tesla here. Come on, where you going? Where you going? Yeah, dude, I have one on my mower. They've got some cool little deals. Like you put them in on Amazon, and they look just like a little a part of whatever you're putting it on. Like you can put it in plain sight, and nobody would ever know that there's an air tag inside of them. They're really cool. There we go, Tesla. Come on, baby. Let's see if it'll get over that 200 EMA on the 15-minute here. Hell yeah, man. You're welcome. Yeah, Doug, they're waterproof, and then they have a battery in them that lasts like over a year, and then you just like push down, unscrew it, and then it's just a regular like circle watch battery, but they last over a year. So it's like you really never have to change them, but maybe once a year. Let's go 735. You're pushing now, huh? Push, 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 push. Don't mind me, I'm just looking at stuff on my phone. Wait for this boring market to wake up. Good call, Mamba. Good call, man. Good call. Almost at 7:35, huh? Almost. Yeah, I think we'll see some more highs on Tesla, man. I think we'll see him, Mamba. I think we'll see him. Let's see where Amazon's at. Alright, guys. Not a bad morning, but I have to go to the store and get some stuff for the house over there. I gotta go get some shingles and some plywood and blah, 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 blah. More stuff for that house so we can get it done. Get moved into it. I hope y'all make a bunch of money on your Tesla calls. And Spy if you're in it, Mamba. I'm not sure if you're in it or not, but hope you guys all do well. Thanks for hitting the like button. Hit it if you haven't yet, please. And we will see you guys tomorrow. And in the Discord, of course. Stay safe. Get some profits.